In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in PayPal. Let's make this quick, clear, and easy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to upload a clean, professional-looking image that shows up on your account. Start by opening your web browser and heading to PayPal. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in before you can access your account area. Once you're on your dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the page for the gear icon. That's your settings. Click it to open your account settings page. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry. PayPal's design can vary a bit by region and device, but the gear icon consistently takes you where you need to be. Inside Settings, navigate to your profile area. You should see your current avatar or a placeholder image. Click directly on the Profile Picture section. This opens the Profile Photo panel where you can manage your image. If you see a small camera icon on or near your avatar, that's another quick indicator that you're in the right place. Next, choose the option to upload a new photo. Browse your device and select the image you want to use. For best results, pick a clear, well-lit photo with your face centered. A square image typically fits most profile frames without awkward cropping. Common formats like JPG or PNG work well, and a reasonably high-resolution image will look sharper across different parts of the site. After selecting your photo, you'll usually see a preview with a crop or zoom tool. Take a moment to adjust the frame so your face is centered and comfortably fits within the circular or square preview. Leave a little space around your head so nothing gets cut off. If your image looks grainy or off-center, try a different version before saving. When you're happy with the preview, confirm the change. The button might say Save, Apply, or Done depending on the interface. Give it a moment to process. Your new profile picture should appear right away on your profile page, though it may take a short time to update across every part of your account. If it doesn't show immediately, refresh the page and check again. And that's it. You've gone to PayPal, opened Settings, clicked your profile picture, and uploaded the image you want. If you ever want to change it again, just repeat these same steps. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your updated profile.